Hello, this is a video to show how to separate objects in Blender. This is the default scene in Blender. I delete the default objects and then I add the monkey Suzanne for example. We can go to Add, Merge, and Monkey. Monkey Suzanne is add, and then we can go to Add Demo. To separate the object, we can go to Merge and Separate. Actually, we can use shortcut P to separate. We can separate by selection, by material, or by loose part. In the monkey Suzanne, the two eyes is loose part, so we can separate by loose part. Now we have three objects out. We can go to object mode. We can have 1, 2, and 3. The two eyes are separated, so we can move it forward. Next, I want to show how to separate by selection. We can select the object again and go to Add Demo. I change to front view and switch to X-ray mode for easy to selection. And I switch to face selection and select the faces. Now this is the selection, and then we can press shortcut key and separate selection. And then we can go back to object mode. We have separate into two. So I move it upwards. To separate by material, we need to add the material first. I switch to material preview first, and then I select this object and go to material properties and add the material. Because we need to separate by material, we need another material, and I will choose this material to blue color, and then we can go to Add Demo, and then I select the faces. I assign the ear to be blue color. So this object has two material. Now I select all, press shortcut A, and then P to choose separate by material. Now we can go back to object mode. We have the separate object now. Now we can switch to solid shading and turn off the X-ray mode. In the solid shading, we can use random color. Therefore, we can have individual color for the individual object. Finally, I want to show how to separate all the faces. We can select the object and then go to Add Demo. We can press A to select all and go to Merge, Split, and split faces by edges. And then we can go to Merge and separate by loose parts. Now we can separate all the faces to individual objects. This is how we can separate objects in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Mantis B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.